This is my Nissan Navara 2007 ute. I bought off a guy a couple of years ago. He had it suited for the V8 and a Tirano diff, Nissan Tirano. I don't know what sort of Tirano it came out of, but I know it's a limited slip diff. For some reason he kept the Navara gearbox in it. So anyway, from the time I've had it, what have I done? Started off, tinted the windows first. Put these nice big wheels on there. 20-inch Kudos, Bostons, the brand is. I've put a 300ZX 5-speed gearbox in it, which makes it go a lot better than the diesel gearbox. Got custom exhaust all the way through, going through a Flowmaster, then out a single 3-inch exhaust. So I think when the original guy, he put the Tirano diff in it, I think maybe he's taken one or two leafs out of the springs, give it a bit of a lower stance. So I've bought some aftermarket Cobra springs and I've had them retensioned, so it sits level basically. Standard inside. Got some new plates coming in a couple of days, so it's going to be going on there. Also fitted some gas shocks to the bonnet, just makes life a lot easier. K&N air filter. Shout out to my mate Nick Bernstein. Gave me a hand with the fabrication of my extractors and exhaust system. He also gave me a huge hand putting the gearbox and stuff in, doing drawings, helping me out with the calculations to get everything sorted right. Factory about 2.8 tonne, but it's on the road quite nicely. Cool, thanks for watching.